Hi, I'm Martin Romjue, editor of ARN and chairman of the International Car Rental Show, with another episode of ARN Newsmakers. Today's newsmaker is AI, and it will keep making headlines for many days to come. Generative AI is poised to speed up the competitive race for car renters. We've already discussed at industry events how digital platforms, apps, and tech tools are complementing the traditional rental car counter. The big question now is, could a counter be altogether replaced? I say a counter since not all counters would disappear given that customers bring varied demands and needs. Gavin Sweeney, the Chief Revenue Officer of CarTrawler, a B2B travel technology company, recently explained to me how emerging AI tools appeal to customers who are reserving cars and planning trips. Based on a 1,000 respondent survey, he shared these insights. 30% of respondents used AI to research cars or transfers. Among this group, 2/3 reported a positive experience. They cited clearer price comparisons and easier vehicle choices as key benefits. Millennials and Gen Z travelers, as well as younger families with children under 18, not only use AI to research car rentals, but also follow through with it to book a car. But results also suggest that while travelers readily embrace AI guidance during research and planning, many still seek traditional or hybrid booking paths when paying for their trips. At this point, car renters overall appear to hesitate using AI for more complex needs, such as requesting a refund, changing a flight, or catching a connection. The question is, will AI advance enough to make car renters more confident with these tasks? Sweeney predicts AI will play a greater role in the car rental booking behavior in the short and the long term. He cites three specific attributes for rental car providers and customers alike. Number one, AI can save time by helping users compare prices and narrow down vehicle types. Number two, it can help operators deliver more responsive, data-driven experiences by supporting automation. And number three, it strengthens features such as dynamic pricing by using AI to adjust rates based on demand and personal preferences. For more on this topic, check out the ARN Focus blog at autorentalnews.com/blog. We'll definitely get into this topic more at the upcoming International Car Rental Show, May 13th through the 15th near Dallas. Our agenda is taking shape with AI high up on the session list. We have more information at internationalcarrentalshow.com. Coming up in a future episode, I'll talk with a rental car operator pursuing electric rental cars. For now, thanks for watching AR Newsmakers. I'm Martin Romjue. I'll see you again here real soon.